Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vlogging 8 channel. Today for this video of Vlogging 8, I will be showing you how to fix screen share audio on Discord mobile. So first thing is you open the Discord application on your phone device, tap open Discord and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you're at the Discord, tap on the horizontal line on top left, and in this page you need to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on your profile icon. Once you're at the profile page, what you need to do is you need to scroll down and find the option voice. You will find the option voice on the app setting. You tap that. You will see this option input mode right on the top once you open the voice setting. You just tap that. Then you can go ahead and click on voice activity. Tap on it. Make sure it's set to voice activity and not push to talk. Once you set to the voice activity, it should then be working. If not, what you can do is you can make sure your Discord app is up to date, or you can try resetting your phone and seeing if that works. So this is a simple way how you can fix screen share audio on Discord mobile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Vlogging 8 channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.